Hello friends, welcome to another lecture of number theory. Today we are going to discuss some example. First example is if n is odd, if small n is odd, then show that n square minus 1 is divisible by 8 is divisible by 8. If n is an odd integer, then show that n square minus 1 is divisible by 8. We have given that n is odd integer. n is an odd integer. n is an odd integer. Now we know that the odd integers are of the form twice n or twice k minus 1. n is odd integer, therefore this n is of the type twice k minus 1. We know that the all even integers are of the form 2 into k and if odd integers are of the form 2k minus 1. Therefore we get n is equals to 2k minus 1, and we have to show that n square minus 1 is divisible by 8. Now from this n we can find n square, and subtracting 1 from that we get n square minus 1. Therefore this gives n square is equals to, so taking square of both sides, 2k minus 1 square, which is equals to 2k square is 4k square minus 2 to the 4k minus plus 1. So n square we get the value of n square as 4k square minus 4k plus 1. Now subtracting 1 from both sides we get n square minus 1, or putting this n 1 here we get n square minus 1 is equals to 4k square minus 4k. Now taking 4k common from both this side we get 4k into, here remains k and minus 1. So we get n square minus 1 is equals to 4k into k minus 1. So from this we get n square minus 1 is equals to 4 into some k prime. Suppose k prime is equals to k into k minus 1. So from this we can say that 4 divides n square minus 1. But we have to prove that our n square minus 1 is divisible by 8. So n square minus 1 must be of the form 8 into some k, or 8 into some k prime. So from this we can say that n square minus 1 is divisible by 4, but we can't say that this n square minus 1 is divisible by 8. To prove that n square minus 1 is divisible by 8, we know that this k and k minus 1 are consecutive integers. K and k minus 1 are consecutive integers. Since k is integer, this n is of the type 2k minus 1 and this k is an integer. So k is an integer, so k minus 1 is again integer, and this k and k minus 1 are conjugate integers. For example, suppose k is equals to 10, then k minus 1 is 9, so 9 and 10 are conjugate integers. And also we know that the product of any two consecutive integers is always even. Product of any two consecutive integers is always even. Here, so here we get k and k minus 1 are consecutive integers, and we know that product of any two consecutive integers is always even. Product of any two consecutive integers is even. Therefore so we can write it n square minus 1 is equals to this 4k sub 4 as it is, and k into k minus 1, that is the product of two consecutive integers is even. So that is of the form 2 into some k prime. product of these two consecutive integers is even, that is k into k minus 1 is an even number, so that even number must be of the form 2 into some k prime. So this we get 8 into k prime, that is n square minus 1 is equals to a into k prime. Therefore by definition of divisibility we can say that this 8 divides n square minus 1. Therefore by definition of divisibility, we can say that 8 divides n square minus 1, that is n square minus 1 is divisible by 8, is divisible by 8. Hence the solution of our example. Next example is next example is next example if x and y are odd, if x and y are odd integers, then prove that x square plus y square is even. X and y are odd integers, then prove that x square plus y square is even but not divisible by 4, but not divisible by 4, but not divisible by 4. Our example says that if x and y are odd integers, then the x square plus y square, that is square of the first odd integer plus square of the second odd integer, is even, but that x square plus y square which is even number not divisible by 4. So first of all we are going to show that this x square plus y square is even. So first of all we have given x and y are odd integers. Given that x square plus x and y are even integers, x and y are even integers, odd integers, x and y are odd integers. Therefore let this x be is equals to, this x is equals to 2 k1 minus x, k1 minus 1, x is equals to 2 k1 minus 1, and y is equals to 2, suppose k2 minus 1. We know that the odd integers are of the form 2k minus 1, so taking x is equals to 2k1 minus 1 and y is equals to 2k2 minus 1. So if x is equals to this, then we get x square as x square is equals to 2k1 minus 1 square, and from this we get y square as 2k2 minus 1 bracket square. So using a minus b bracket square we get this 4k1 square minus 4k1 plus 1, and taking this a minus b bracket square, again using my a minus b bracket square, we get 4k2 square minus 2 to the 4k2 plus 1. Now we have to prove that x square plus y square is even. So adding these two, that is adding these two, we get therefore x square plus y square is equals to, x square is equals to this, y square is equals to this. So adding these two we get 4k1 square minus 4k1 plus 1, this x square, plus y square is 4k2 square minus 4k2 plus 1. So taking this summation as, adding these we get, or rearranging we get 4k1 square plus 4k2 square minus 4k1 minus 4k2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. So taking 4 common from these two and minus 4 common from these two, we get 4 into k1 square plus k2 square. Taking minus 4 common here, we get k1 plus k2 plus this 2 as it is. We have to prove that this x square plus y square is even. So x square plus y square must be of the form 2 into some integer, 2 into some integer. So we have to express this x square plus y square is equals to 2 into some integer. So here we can find 4 into something minus 4 into something plus 2. So taking 2 common from all the terms, we get 2 into this 2 times k1 square plus k2 square minus 2 times k1 plus k2 plus 1. So we can say that this is equals to 2 into some, this term is equals to k prime, where k prime is equals to, where k prime is equals to 2k1 square plus k2 square minus 2 times k1 plus k2 plus 1, k prime is equals to this. So we get x square plus y square is equals to 2 into some k prime. Hence we can say that x square plus y square is even. This implies x square plus y square is even by using definition of divisibility, by definition of divisibility. Here clearly we can say that x square plus y square is of the form 2 into some k, that is k, 2 into some k prime. K prime is an integer. K prime is equals to 2 times k1 square plus k2 square minus 2 times k1 plus k2 plus 1, which is an integer. So x square plus y square is even number. Now to prove that this x square plus y square is not divisible by 4. Now to prove this, we are going to prove this by contradiction. So now to prove that, now to prove that x square plus y square is not divisible by 4, is not divisible by 4. So prove by contradiction, prove by contradiction. On contrary, suppose 4 divides x square plus y square. On contrary, suppose 4 divides x square plus y square. Now we can use the definition of divisibility, since this 4 divides x square plus y square. So we can write it as x square plus y square is equals to 4 into some integer. Therefore by definition of divisibility, therefore by definition of divisibility, there exists an integer, suppose k, such that there exists an integer k such that x square plus y square is equals to 4k. X square plus y square is equals to 4k. In this proof, in this solution to this, we have find x square plus y square is equals to this. Now suppose this, now taking the value taking the terms of square form separate and constant k1 k2 separate, we can write this equation. So suppose this is our equation number 1, and putting the value of x square plus y square is equals to 4k in this equation, we can get, therefore putting the value of x square plus y square is equals to 4k in equation 1, we can write, therefore this equation 1 becomes 4k is equals to this 4k, that is x square plus y square is equals to 4k. 4k is equals to 4 k1 square plus k2 square minus 4k1 minus 4k2 plus 2. 4k1 square plus 4k2 square minus 4k1, maybe minus 4k1 minus 4k2 minus 4k1 minus 4k2 plus 2 plus 2. Now here 4k1 square plus 4k2 square minus 4 into some k1 minus 4 into k2 plus 2. So we can take 2 common here. So taking 2 common, we can write this equation as 4k is equals to 2 times 4k is equals to 2 times, or we can simplify this as, now substitute putting this 4k here, sending this 4k here, we can write it as 4k1 square plus 4k2 square minus 4k1 minus 4k2 minus this 4k is equals to minus 2 is equals to, so putting this here, plus 2 is equals to 0. That is we can write 4 into is k1 square plus k2 square minus k1 minus k2 minus k is equals to minus 2. Sending this 2 here, we get minus 2, or we can write it as 4 into this minus k becomes k plus k1 plus k2 minus k1 square minus k2 square is equals to 2. Absorbing this minus sign here, that is taking multiplying by minus 1 both sides, we get this. This shows that 4 into some k prime is equals to 2. This gives us 4 into some k prime is equals to 2, which therefore, so using the definition of divisibility here, we can say that 4 divides 2. Therefore, by definition of divisibility, therefore by definition of divisibility, you can say that 4 divides 2, that is larger number divides smaller number, which is a contradiction, hence our assumption is wrong, that is 4 divides x square plus y square is wrong. This implies 4 doesn't divide x square plus y square, 4 doesn't divide x square plus y square, hence the proof. So first of all, we have proved x square plus y square is even. So x and y are odd integers, so x and y are of the form 2k minus 1, 2k1 minus 1, 2k2 minus 1. Taking square of x and y, we get x square is equals to this, y square is equals to this, and adding these two terms, that is x square plus y square, we get the x square plus y square of the form 2 into some k prime. So this gives us x square plus y square is even. Now to prove this x square plus y square is not divisible by 4, to put this, contrary, we have supposed 4 divides x square plus y square. So using definition of divisibility, we can write it as this, and from this equation, that is x square plus y square is equals to 4k1 square plus 4k2 square minus 4k1 minus 4k2 plus 2. Putting x square plus y square is equals to 4k, we get 4k is equals to this equation, and sending 4k here and 2k here, we get this equation, and taking 4 common, we get that 4k prime is equals to 2, where this k prime is equals to k plus k1 plus k2 minus k1 square minus k2 square, which is again an integer. So therefore, by using definition of divisibility here, 2 is equals to 2, 4 into some integer, so we get 4 divides 2. This 4 is larger number, 2 is smaller number, so larger number can't divide smaller number, so we get 4, we get contradiction, which is contradiction, hence 4 doesn't divide 4 doesn't divide x square plus y square, hence the solution.